Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox or unwrap an item that I just ordered from Levi's USA. I made my order, I think, 2 weeks ago, and it arrived here in the Philippines after 10 days, and it is here. The story of this item is that when I visited Bangkok, Thailand on the second week or first week of March last month, I was able to visit the Levi's store in, I think that's one One Siam or World Center. Just don't remember the name of the shopping mall where I visited in Bangkok, Thailand. And I was able to see the Levi's store there, and I been interested in this item because it is on display in their store at that time, and I haven't seen it in the online website of Levi's USA, and it was my first time to see the said item. So after a few days of stay in Bangkok, Thailand, I arrived back here in Manila, and then after a few days, I made my research on Levi's USA. I was surprised it is already online on Levi's USA, wherein I was surprised that I was able to see in person the item that I would like to order. So I'm going to unbox this item, which came all the way from Levi's USA. To rip, and here it is. We'll remove the plastic wrap so that we can see the actual texture and appearance of this said item. This is a camouflage jacket from Levi's Strauss, and I forgot the name of the jacket, but what made me interested is the camouflage fabric of this jacket. I got the small size because usually my shirts and outerwear, most especially jackets from Levi's, are size small. So I'm confident that this will fit me okay with my body profile. By the way, I'm 5'7" and my weight is 145 pounds. This is equivalent to 62 to 65 kilos. And I usually wear small under jackets, small under shirts, and other upperwear from Levi's. I like the fabric. This is 100% cotton. I think this is made in Bangladesh. This is made in Bangladesh. And when I saw the price of this item in Bangkok, Thailand, I have it converted to pesos, and it appears that the equivalent in pesos, Philippine pesos, is 9,000 plus pesos. But when I look at the Levi's USA website online, they offered, I think, 15 to 30% discount. However, once I was able to have it clear out, I got almost 50% discount. So the total conversion to Philippine pesos of this jacket is only 5,000 pesos. So I was able to save some money instead of buying it in Bangkok, Thailand. So it has two breast pockets in front and then two pockets on the hemline. And it has some at the back, some adjustment button, and both sides have adjustments. So I can make this slimmer by just adjusting the button. The way I see it, the shoulder size is maybe 18 inches, or the body is 21 inches, chest to chest, or pit to pit, I mean, and the opening is 20 inches. So this is a nice jacket or outerwear which I can use here in the Philippines, and of course when I travel abroad. It does not have any pocket inside. All the pockets are located in front, on the breast, and at the hem area. So we will see how this outerwear or jacket will fit into my body profile. So this is another unwrapping or unboxing video from yours truly. This is Mr. Jovenel Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.